In front of me is iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to turn off location services on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select privacy right here and go to location services. If you would like to turn off location services which uses GPS, Bluetooth and crowd-sourced Wi-Fi, just tap here to turn it off. Just confirm that you would like to turn off location services, and that's it. From now on your device has no access to your current location and neither have all your apps. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.